Hey everybody, the cameraman here. Today is September 24th. It's 1:01 p.m. Back at the DA's office to try and get these records. Dr. Boutros is was unavailable yesterday, and he's unavailable today to pick up this discovery. So he asked for me to collect this discovery for him and assist him in this matter. And if they deny me, to get something in writing for that denial for court. There we go. Hello. Good. I'm back again. Dr. Boutros was unavailable yesterday, and he's unavailable today to get this discovery. He's asked me to assist him in this matter as I'm media and giving him a meaningful opportunity to part. Yes, I'm documenting.
Okay, you have to turn that off in here because there's personal and confidential information in
Well,
here.
then that's your guys' issue, but
Okay,
this is
then
one.
can you
This is
please
one.
go to reception?
This is 148G protected.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you please go to reception?
No, I'm not going to go to reception. If you're going to refuse to give me the records, Dr. Boutros has requested that you please provide me something in writing stating this denial so we can provide that to the court.
We'll have investigations up to talk to you in just a
Okay, then.
moment. But I would ask that you step out at this point.
Well, if another person comes in for business, I will step out for the social distancing, but at this point I'm going to politely decline that.
Okay. It'll be just a moment before someone's out here.
No problem. You already know who I am, so. Said the cameraman is up here, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how it should just be a simple matter to discuss, But now everybody's going to go into a lockdown mode, and they already know who I am, as the woman in the background said to Investigations on the phone that the cameraman is up here. So they're going to come up here and talk, and I guess we're going to go through this debacle. Well, my eyes. Well, what about my eyes? My eyes can't be trespassed. See? Well, I don't have to leave because what I'm doing is a lawfully protected activity. Penal Code.
Private, we let you.
This is.
You walked in when somebody walked
But
out.
you're public officials, so I have the right to record
This
you.
is not a public building.
I'm not going to argue with this on this. See, ladies and gentlemen, when you try to explain the law to them, they argue with you.
How's it going today?
He has been asked to leave the office and he's refusing. So if you could please escort him out, I'd appreciate it.
Yeah. Why are you not wanting to leave this area?
First of all, can I get your name and badge number, please?
No, you can't.
Oh,
So-
really?
Yes. So why are you refusing to leave?
Well, the reason I'm refusing her request is because she told me to stop recording. I explained to her that I'm here to pick up discovery for Dr. George Boutros. And if she's unable to provide that for me because Dr. George Boutros is unavailable to pick up this discovery, he requested that I get something in writing stating that I will not be provided the records so he can present that in court.
Okay, so he's not wanting to come down to pick up the records,
He's not available to pick up the records.
but he's pro per, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so he's required to pick it up on his behalf. Okay? So he's not wanting to follow rules, is my understanding?
Well, that's what you're implying, but he's informed me that he's unable at this time to come and pick up these records.
Okay.
I don't know what his schedule
We can't
is.
deliver to you.
Then that's fine. Then he's
So-
just requesting something be put in writing that's stating that fact.
We don't need to provide that.
Okay, then that's exactly why we're recording here, so this is all documented.
That's
I'm
fine.
pretty sure you're aware of Penal Code 148, subsection G.
I don't care.
Then that's the problem. That's the exact problem. People don't care. And if you'd care, then we wouldn't be having this problem. See, if you'd care, then lawsuits wouldn't come into play for that, because you're refusing to identify yourself. You don't want to follow California Penal Code that says that I can record public employees, okay?
Have I once told you to shut it down?
No, but you're being requested by this woman here to come in and remove me while I'm engaging my constitutional rights. So this is
space from right here,
coercion.
So this space right here to here, this is not public space.
Well, we can argue that in court, so that's not my
So-
issue. But if this is an area where I have the right to be in to conduct business,
you
then the
have-
recording is
Do you have
protected. But you've already
business
explained to me
right
that the
here?
records are going to be denied, so there's no need to keep going back with this banter. And you refuse. And for
Then
the
you can
record,
go
you're
ahead.
not going to give me your name or badge number.
No, there's no point in that right now.
Exactly, because you're a coward and you would refuse to
Okay.
identify yourself because you do not want to be held accountable. Shame on you, sir.
What a little